Okay, hi guys, today in my country the update is came and parrots are added to Minecraft. And I have two parrots and I'm right now making my house. Yeah. So what else? Nothing really, but yeah. You can right click them when they fly so they can wait. Yeah, this is my parrot. You can right click so they can go on your shoulder. Or they just wanna, or they will fly to you and go on. Come back guys, come back if you want to. Don't run away. Hello. Shout out to Liza and Amy Awesome and wow, like I had a party at my house. Just say come over. Yeah. Okay, don't want seeds. Okay. Just my friends came over and oh my god. It was just all crazy and I even uploaded one video I think about craziness with my friends. Oh my god. I don't even know how to explain to you guys how crazy it was. It was all fun. But I am planning to make a video with the seed 666. If someone doesn't know what is 666, it is a devil number. And 3 a.m. I'm not gonna upload a video at 3 a.m. At the PC because it's my dad's computer. And I don't want sit. And I can't play when it's all late. So yeah, sorry guys for the news. And 3 a.m. is the witch hour, I think. But yeah, and I'll clear you what is in this update. New blocks like Pocket Edition now has. It's just yeah, cool. Decorations, new beds. I'm surprised they changed how beds look here. But redstone, nothing new. Nothing new too. I don't get this one. Comment down below why is this saved toolbars. And here are now the spawn eggs. Parrot. Anyways, wait, let me try this. Islander. Oops. Oh my god! It actually leads me to it. What was the achievement? What the fuck? Oh my god! It all shows me the way. Oh, one dropped. Mini dropped. Dropped the base. But yeah. What else? If you see me on Hypixel, you can say it when you know my YouTube channel and you want to be friends. If you want to be friends. So yeah. And I don't really know. I made just a random video showing you the update. But anyways, guys, I'm not gonna end the video right here. But if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Okay, likes. That's it. Likes. And that's it for now. Shout out to Liza. Who else? Oh, something analogical. If you want to, just subscribe to her. Cause why not? I mean, like, she. Oh, and right side, maybe. Well, if you want to, like, learn all things about life, then you can, like, subscribe to it. It's really awesome. Hello, Parrots. Hello. Hello. Okay, but anyways, I don't know what to do. Like, it's just this. I don't know if I can know what to say. Leave a like. Subscribe if you want. I don't even know. Comment down below if you like the video. Oh my god, the way that you hold the beds though. It's weird. Sweet dreams. Cool. And yeah, that's it for today. Bye.